family is on his way.
Mm-hmm.
So, you want to do a chow time, huh?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I guess maybe what you want to... Have I ever had this before? Have you ever made this for me?
Nope.
First time?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can I guess?
Yeah.
Well, being a younger person like yourself, I'm thinking maybe it's going to be a treat. So would it be something like Skittles cupcakes?
No.
No. Okay. Would it be something like a 12-layer chocolate torte cake?
No.
Maybe it's a frozen treat. Are you going to make poopsicles?
No. Let me give you a hint. Let me give you a hint. It's something healthy.
What? Wait.
Yeah.
Say that again.
It's something healthy.
You're going to prepare something healthy?
Yep.
Are you feeling all right?
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a raging fever. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you? Okay, well, should we go into your kitchen?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. What a cool playhouse.
Thank you. I really like it.
Yeah. Good sized playhouse. So what do we do first?
We add black beans. So one that is filled with liquid.
Uh-huh.
Black beans, of course.
Uh-huh.
And one that is filled with just black beans.
Oh, you drain the liquid off?
Yep.
Okay, and we got a little bit of heat going on under there, right?
So we're going to add some chicken stock to it.
1 cup?
Yep.
All right.
So now we're going to add some grape tomatoes.
Like that whole thing?
Sorta.
Sorta?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe leave 1 or 2 to munch on?
No.
Oh, those are different colored ones. Oh, that'll look great.
Yeah, that's good. So now we're going to add some garlic.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, great. A healthy serving of garlic.
Yeah. And now we're going to add some hemp seeds.
Hemp seeds? Hemp seeds? What the heck are hemp seeds?
They're proteins.
Oh, good for protein, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then what do we do?
So we're going to let it boil for 20 minutes.
Okay, after it boils, do we
Yeah.
turn it down to simmer?
Low.
Yeah, low for 20 minutes?
Yep.
Okay, let's do that. Okay.
So now we pull out the immersion blender, and we are going to set it. So we need a big pot so it doesn't just splash over the stoves, because I've done many cooking and my mom's told me many times, try not to get it on the stove. So that's why we have a big pot. It does make your hand vibrate a lot, because this is vibrating a lot, so your hand's moving with it. This is avocado. avocado oil.
Okay, quarter of a cup.
Yeah. And this is starch.
What kind of starch? Potato starch?
Yep.
Ah.
Now we need to mix it up. Just like when you're cooking cookies, you have to make it show what you want to show, like the eggy part, but you don't want the flour to show.
Uh-huh.
Oopsies.
That's okay.
Yep. I hope so. So that is the baking batter.
The baking batter. It does sort of look like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looks like chocolate, and that is how we want it to look like.
You want your black bean soup to look like chocolate.
Yep.
I knew you had a sweet tooth somewhere.
But it's healthy. Oh, now we're going to add some ground cumin.
Okay. Isn't that one of your favorite spices?
Yep. Oh. And this is garlic salt.
Ooh, that's a good flavoring. Perfect.
That twitters my eyes a little bit.
Anything else?
Yep, there's cilantro. Cilantro is a really good vegetable. Well, it's not a vegetable, it's just really delicious. I know people think that cilantro is, it tastes bad when it's alone, but it actually tastes like gum, sort of. It really does.
I've seen you snack on cilantro leaves before.
Yeah. I was doing it a few minutes ago. I think that's good.
Okay.
So now we're going to pour it into the pot.
Pour the cilantro leaves in. And I stir.
Yep. Oh, sorry. Keep stirring. I'll save that last piece for me.
You know, I can smell those spices and herbs.
If you want to thin it, you can add more stock, but I want to thicken it.
Okay.
Just one more.
Okay. Let's go chow down.
So I would like to end it with some sour cream and cheese.
Okay, cheddar cheese?
Yes, it doesn't matter what kind of cheese.
Any kind.
Because other people like cheeses, so I just say cheese.
Just cheese. Can I take a taste now? Well, first you tell me what you think.
Good.
All right.
Oh, hot. Now, Grandma, you stir it up. That's what makes it better.
I'll blow on mine. This is absolutely delicious. I can taste, I love the cilantro in it.
I'm just gonna do
And the spices are perfect.
Yeah. And the cheese is perfect. What? I like cheese.
Well, I'm so glad you have such an interest in cooking. It's like a good hobby for you, you know?
It's messy.
Yeah. So this is the greatest black bean soup in the world.
Murphy's Greatest Black Bean
Oh,
Soup.
Murphy's. Oh, okay. Well, now the world will know about it. Okay, so now...
Did we say like hit the the subscribe button or something?
You could.
Hit the subscribe button.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for the plug.
Yep.